Today's video is about AnyDesk versus TeamViewer. Choosing the right remote access tool can completely change how you manage your work from anywhere without the frustration of connectivity issues. Let's briefly explore both options. AnyDesk and TeamViewer are popular remote access tools that enable users to connect to devices from anywhere. The core difference lies in their pricing models and feature sets, catering to different user needs and preferences. AnyDesk is a remote access software designed for simplicity and speed. It uses a unique Desk-RT codec, which optimizes data transmission for high-quality performance, even on low bandwidth connections. AnyDesk is lightweight and easy to install, making it ideal for quick remote sessions. Its strengths include low latency, high-quality visuals, and a user-friendly interface. However, it lacks some advanced features found in competitors, such as extensive file transfer options. AnyDesk is perfect for small businesses and individuals who need straightforward remote access without the complexity of additional features. TeamViewer is a comprehensive remote access solution known for its robust feature set. It offers advanced functionalities like remote printing, file transfer, and session recording. TeamViewer is designed for larger teams and enterprises, providing extensive support for multiple platforms and devices. Its strengths include strong security protocols and the ability to integrate with various applications. However, the complexity of its features can be overwhelming for casual users, and its pricing may be higher compared to simpler alternatives. TeamViewer is ideal for businesses looking for a full-featured remote access tool that can handle complex tasks and support large teams. When comparing AnyDesk and TeamViewer, consider your specific needs. If you require quick, reliable access with minimal setup, AnyDesk excels in providing a fast and efficient experience. It's perfect for freelancers or small teams who don't need extensive features. On the other hand, TeamViewer offers a more robust solution with advanced capabilities, making it suitable for larger organizations that need comprehensive support and security features. For example, a small business might benefit from AnyDesk's straightforward approach, while a corporate team may find TeamViewer's extensive functionalities necessary for managing multiple devices and users. For users looking for a simple and efficient remote access tool, AnyDesk is the clear choice. However, if you need a feature-rich solution for a larger team or organization, TeamViewer is highly recommended. Make your choice based on your specific needs for remote access efficiency and functionality.